Good evening. There's been a human rights ruling that the English school district discriminated against a boy who is deaf.
It was the last step in what has been a long fight for justice for the Churchill family. NTV's Beth Penney has tonight's top story.
Todd and Kim Churchill have spent years advocating for their 12-year-old son Carter, who's deaf.
Quite frankly, in our province, deaf children don't matter. That's the sad fact of it.
Now, all of their advocating has paid off. Back in August, there was a 9-day human rights hearing on a discrimination complaint from the Churchills. They argued the Newfoundland and Labrador English School District failed to provide Carter with quality education that was accessible to him in ASL, and the chief adjudicator agreed.
And we finally feel that, something that we've been saying as Carter's parents for years, that he's been discriminated against, and that what's been happening to him with regards to his education has not been right, and that people knew about it and did nothing. And so finally we feel that the truth has been told and that we were believed is a great feeling.
Chief Adjudicator Gallant found that the Newfoundland and Labrador English School District discriminated against Carter for the 4 years he attended Beachy Cove Elementary. In his written decision, Gallant also noted his concern for the exclusion, social isolation, and language deprivation Carter has faced.
People have said, about winning the case or losing the case, and there's just degrees of losing. I mean, when your child has been pushed through to grade 6 and can't read, and there's no winning at that point.
The decision also outlines specific instructions that the English school district must follow, including supporting Carter Churchill in the development of competence in American Sign Language, and that he must not be isolated from his peers. What his father, Todd Churchill, wants to see next is for the province to take some responsibility.
I would expect that the Andrew Furey government and Premier Furey will acknowledge the discrimination of our son. We have a formal ruling stating that. So we'd expect the government to demonstrate the accountability that they claim they have on various issues.
And when it comes to financial compensation, the Churchills have been awarded $50,000 of the more than $90,000 they say this process has cost them. And the school district has been ordered to pay the Churchills $95,000 in general damages. The family says they wouldn't have made it this far without the warm support they received along the way.
And finally at that hearing, we had an opportunity to get his story told. So we will always be grateful and appreciative for the teachers that testified to help Carter.
Beth Penney, NTV News.